Hi, welcome to 9K Tech. Today I will compare two different headphones. Design. Weight. Cable length. Waterproof. Release date. Sound. Lowest frequency. Highest frequency. Impedance. Driver unit size. Number of microphones. Power. Battery life. Connectivity. Bluetooth version. Maximum Bluetooth range. More. Has voice prompts. Has stereo speakers. Has detachable cable. Has passive noise reduction. Has a neodymium magnet. Has a noise-canceling microphone. Can be used wirelessly. Price. Show. Thanks for watching.